Good morning! In this video I will be making this bed and I hope it is worthy of a teenage pirate. Well, I don't know, I like it. I hope somebody else out there likes it too. I just had a lot of fun, so that's what matters. This is the material I use. I was inspired by it. It just spoke to me, told me, make me into a furniture. I want to be a bed. So yeah, this is, I think it's called a chipboard. It's quite thick. It's made of layers of paper. It's just the back and the front of a book. It was a cookbook. I don't usually go about destroying books, but this one got water damage, so I kept whatever I can save, and it feels good to give it a second life. I'm cutting basic footboard and headboard shapes. I measured with the dough. This is cardboard packaging material. I will glue everything with tacky glue and I'll leave it aside for a while. While this is drying, let's make the mattress. I had this sponge from an old headboard from my boy's room. We renovated his room for his 9th birthday. The headboard was not needed, so we used it to reupholster his sitting bench, and I'm here using the leftover. The doll I have is miniature grown-up Bratz girl, but I figured the size will be perfect to represent an 11 years old pirate. I cut the hands and the legs because I wanted to articulate them, and also the legs are normally too long with Bratz dolls, so I shortened them and made them more realistic. So I believe now this is the 1/12 scale doll, a child in 1/12 scale. It looks alright next to my 1/12 scale grown-up dolls, which I will use for creating some of Pirate 101's characters. I am very excited about making the dolls, but for now let's get back to the bed. About here, I changed my mind, deciding to exaggerate the shape on the fabric, the golden detail. So I cut that shape, and now I'm fray checking with some water PVA. This is what I have. Now let's move to painting. I will paint a couple coats of this brown paint to make it look wooden. Now I'm protecting the bed and the mattress with aluminum foil because I want to shape the blanket, the throw. I want to crease it so it looks more natural. I'm leaving this aside for now, and I decided I want to make this a little bit more game correct. I'm gonna make the legs chunkier. I'll cut some pieces and glue them on.
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like breezes whisper by. Endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace, each shadow finds its quiet eternal as the drum. Glimmers dance on the ocean's crest. Nature hums her song, no quest. A lullaby to draw in rest, where weary wanderers do invest. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me.
This material is very thick, it's hard to cut through. You need a really sharp blade, but I ran out of blades and that's why I had to take out the Dremel. Not long ago I've got this scalpel which I'm using for the bed, but it got dull with cutting this material. I have extra blades, but I don't know how to use them, how to change them. It seems quite tricky actually to do that. So yeah, I suppose I'm just using the Dremel.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, truths as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines.
I'm glad with these two looks, and I'm very excited to start the next item. Take care, see you soon!